Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I will show you how to change the Ford Sync 3 theme on any newer Ford that's equipped with Ford Sync 3. You can see mine is not typical like the blue and white, right? This is the updated theme. Now I will show you how to do that on your Ford. First thing, you have to access the hidden diagnostics menu. Now you want to make sure the radio is turned on. You want to switch to audio and either be on AM or FM frequencies, and then you will press and hold the right button on the dashboard and the right button on the steering wheel at the same time and hold them together for maybe 5 seconds. So I will do that right now, and this will get you to hidden diagnostics menu. Now you can turn off this speaker test, and then you will go under testing settings, and on the top you will see a theme, right? And if you select that, you can choose any theme you wish. So let's say I'm gonna choose, I don't know, Ford RS, and this will change the background and the font of letters and stuff like that. So you can play with this for a while and see what you really like, and then adjust the settings to your liking. I say now this is pretty much typical Ford theme. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.